In this video, I'm going to show you how to get free and low-cost content for your new blog. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to use any articles or content that's supplied by the product owner at ClickBank. So first we're going to talk about digital products like on ClickBank, and then I'll talk about how you do product reviews for physical products that you get at Amazon. But you want to go, when you're picking a product to promote, if you go through here, you'll see that a lot of these websites and a lot of these different products have an affiliate area, okay? And they'll tell you the affiliate area. And sometimes if you can't find it here, a lot of times if you just go to their website down at the bottom, there'll be an area that says affiliates, and you can go in there. And a lot of times they'll have content that you can use. In fact, this particular product that I'm going to be promoting, not only have they given us banners, but look at this. They're giving us articles, entire articles that we have for free that we can use as content on our website. And they got a lot of articles, and these are some big articles, and they all are relevant to the product you're promoting and are relevant to the niche that you're in. So there's some great content right here that you can get for free. Now, if you're on Amazon, what you want to do is you want to go into the products that you're looking at, okay? And they'll generally have a really good description of the product itself. So what I like to do is I like to just rewrite their descriptions a little bit and then go through all the user reviews. You can see there's only 6 reviews on this particular product, but if you read through the reviews, you can get a good idea of what the product is like. And you just want to write up a new little article, new little product review on this product if you're going to be doing physical products. And then, you can go ahead, add this right onto your site. Now, for low cost, because I know not a lot of people like to write, and I understand that. I'm not big on writing either, but there is a fantastic site that you can go to that's called iWriter. And there's other places that you can go to have articles written, but what's great about iWriter is you can get an article written at only $1.25, as low as $1.25 for an article. So you can get articles created on anything. And when you're doing, like I said, when you're doing physical products, they have writers that are well versed in writing product reviews. So you just tell them the products that you're promoting and have them write you out some articles. It really couldn't be any easier. It really couldn't be any easier. So let me show you how we go ahead and add these articles as content on our site. So I'm going to just go ahead and take this right here. I'm going to copy that article title, and I'm going to go over to my website, and I go to post, and I want to add a new post. So you just click that link right there that says add new, and I'm going to go ahead, add in the article title, and then I'll go ahead and copy all this text here, and I can just paste that right in there, right? Okay? They let me paste all that in there, and then from here we can go ahead add some advertisements if we want to. Like I'm gonna just go grab some more of these ads right over here. Like I'll grab this. This is a great big. Look at the size of that ad. Think that'll get someone's attention? That might be a little big. Let's go with this one. And then I'll just go right over. And what you do is, what you need to do, you decide where you want it, but instead of pasting this right in here on the visual, you see how that says visual? Just go to text. And then you can go ahead and paste that in there. And I can see that that's right there. I'll just go ahead, paste that in there, and then you can see it's right in the content, the context of my website here. I can center that, I can move it to the right, move it to the left. I can do whatever I want. You can see all the text is going to go right away from there, right around there, so it blends right in. And then I can publish that, and then when we go preview this real quick, you can see that our ad is now right inside of our website. So Go get yourself some free content. Go get yourself some low-cost content. You don't need to spend a lot of money to do this. But go ahead and put yourself up at least 5 new blog posts on your blog. Okay? And like I said, use free content. Search around for product owners that include content. Go ahead. If you're going to be doing physical products, go to Amazon. Get a good idea of the product and then just rewrite it. It's really easy to do. Won't take you much time. And like I said, if you don't want to do it yourself, just have someone over at iWriter do it for you. They'll also rewrite content for you, which is really nice too. I'll see you in the next video.